Hi, I'm Jade. I'm a skin therapist and scalp specialist here at Changes Clinic, and you'll be starting your hair restoration journey with me. The first step of your 90-day restoration program will be a HydraFacial but for your scalp. The HydraFacial Keravive will decongest the scalp of dead skin cells and product buildup, and it will infuse growth factors and skin proteins into the scalp. A healthy scalp will promote healthier hair, and it will also help with the next phase of your hair restoration program with one of our medical team. This is Dr. Sanusha, and she'll be talking about the other treatments that are involved in the program.
Hi, I'm Sanusha. I'm one of the doctors here at Changes. So this is the other treatment we're doing, PRF. This involves injecting growth factors and nutrients extracted from your own blood. This helps to reinvigorate your dormant hair follicles and stimulates new hair growth. So you can book in a consult, chat with one of us, and get your treatment started.